Okay guys, how you doing out there? My name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology projection screens using smart technology gain. This right here is our Future Tech 4K. This is called the Nano Black technology screen. Now, as I said before, I took people who want to challenge me, want to challenge my work. As I said before, if you think your product is better, please do the exact same demonstrations that we do. Alright, now I've seen people, I can see all the smoke and mirrors when it comes to people who do fake demonstrations on ambient light. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, now number one, 100-watt lamp, 100-watt lamp, 500-watt bar light. Over top the ceiling, you can see that there is another lamp over top the ceiling. Now look at my environment. Do you see how bright my environment is? Do you see how much light is hitting the screen? You can literally see the bar light, the lumens from the bar light hitting the floor. See the light, all the light around the screen? Now, something else, like I said when I watch these demonstrations, that if people who claim to have these ambient light rejection screens, they never show how far the projector is sitting from the screen. So right there, there's my measuring tape, followed all the way up, and you'll see that my projector is sitting 14 feet from the screen. But let's say a certain individual who claims his gloss is ambient light rejection. Well, in the demonstration that I watched, yes, the lamp was not behind the screen, but the lamp had a shade, and that was the problem. If your screen is ambient light rejection, you shouldn't have a shade on your light. You should have no problem with ambient light hitting your screen. There's no shade here, 100-watt light, and then we got the 500-watt bar light. You can see right there, there's light cascading on the screen. And my screen sits back 14 feet from the screen. So mind you, my projector is going to have to cut through a room that doesn't have color walls. Now when you have color walls reject more light, where a room that's using white walls will actually generate more light. That's why in dedicated theaters you don't see a lot of bright colors. You see basically dark colors, because dark colors cancel out more light. So actually in this room it's very well illuminated. You see how much light is hitting our screen at 14 feet back. Now I'm going to show you in this demonstration what a true well-lit environment demonstration looks like and how your screen should perform. Alright, now watch this. Now, as I said before, in the demonstration, the last one I did, I said, if you're basically going to claim your product is better than ours, please do the exact same demonstrations that we do. Now this is how we do our demonstrations. We don't half-step our demonstrations. We do them thoroughly and by the book, and as you can see how much light is generating on the screen. The screen looks absolutely fantastic. Now look at the white wall that's washed out, and look at our screen. And this is the power of a nano black technology screen. Mind you, the screen is black and producing a better color than a gray screen. It can easily outperform a gray screen. It can easily outperform a white screen. Look at this. Like I said, my projector is sitting 14 feet back from the screen. Need I say any more? Now, as I said before, if a screen is ever going to perform exactly like an HD TV, it has to be in the same environment as an HD TV. And if you look at my environment, it's not dark. I do not shy away from the light. If you notice, my lamps have no shades on them. There's a 500-watt bar light in the middle of the screen. Look at that. Look at the picture quality off that screen. Oh, that was just too easy. Alright, so let me grab one more video demonstration. Like I said, as I said before, you know, if you're going to claim your screen to be ambient light rejection, you have to do more than just put it in an ambient light controlled environment. And as you can see on how dark, how much light we have hitting our screen, is absolutely incredible how much light our screens take in. And that's what you call doing a demonstration right from the door. Right, let me grab one more. Like I said, you know, you got the lamp shade on, you know, all this nonsense. And like I said, you can't claim it to be ambient light rejection until you really hit your screen with some real serious light. Alright, here we go. Sorry about the internet, took a bit there. Just gonna grab me any video, doesn't make a difference. Our screen looks incredible either way. Watch this demonstration I pull up. Watch this. We'll do a dark scene demonstration. Look at the contrast level on that screen. Look how much light is nailing that screen, and look at the contrast level. Never washes out. This is how you do a demonstration, people. Ooh, man, that is just amazing. Let's grab one more. Let's grab something with a little color to it. That's how it's done. That's how you do it. That's how it's done. You want to do a demonstration, you want to prove that your screen has magnificent color. That's how you do it. Let's grab one more. Okay. Grab some more little color in it. Show you how it's done. Okay. Look at this. Look how much light hitting that screen. Look at that. 14 feet back. Look at that screen. Doesn't wash out. Color doesn't fade. It looks absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Like I said, if you're going to do a demonstration, do it right. Look how much light we have in the screen. We got light sitting right directly in the screen. There's no lamp shades. 500-watt bar light. Fully lit environment. 14 feet back from the screen. And look how fantastic my screen looks. And like I said, a lot of people will claim the screens to be ambient light rejection. The problem you have here is that the projector is sitting right up on top of the screen. They never show exactly how far the projector is sitting back. Look at this. Color doesn't fade, color doesn't wash out. The screen looks absolutely incredible. Look at this. Okay guys, I'm Kenneth from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. I hope you enjoyed the Future Tech 4K. This is the nano black technology screen. As you can see, the screen has amazing color capability and has smart technology gain ×5. And as you can see by our demonstration, this is a true ambient light rejection demonstration. There's light literally in front of the screen. We're not hiding the light behind any lamp shades or any dark backgrounds or any environments. As you can see, there's light, direct light hitting the screen. That looks absolutely incredible. Alright, I'm going to do something else really quick. I'm going to do something to show off the screen's color capability, to show you that the screen does not wash out when it comes to bright, vivid colors. Before I sign out of here, show you this demonstration really quick. Done this quite a few times. I like to show off the colors on the screen. Alright, now I want you to look at this. Tell me if you see any colors washing out. You look at the white wall and you look at our screen. This is how you do an ambient light rejection demonstration. Look at that. Now I want you to look at this before I sign off. Look at the colors in that. Picture doesn't wash out, doesn't fade. Look at that. 14 feet back with that much light hitting the screen. And it looks absolutely incredible. Okay guys, again, Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Projection Screens using smart technology gain, showing you what a real ambient light environment looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video demonstration. You know, I have some people say, really quick before I sign off, that's not a real ambient light environment. Who uses that much light in their environment? Well, here's the thing you have to understand. If we can put our screen against this much punishment, imagine what an everyday ambient light environment, how this screen would actually perform it. Think about it. Anything else would be a cakewalk. If my screens can go through this kind of punishment, this kind of light hitting the screen, everything else is a cakewalk. That's the reason why we do these demonstrations, and that's the reason why we can back up our screens can actually perform well in an ambient light projection environment. Look at this. Not ambient light projection, but an ambient light extreme ambient light environment. So if you look at the how much light we have in this environment, that screen looks absolutely incredible. As you can see, look at the color doesn't even wash out. It looks fantastic. Now any other screen that does not do the same demonstrations that we do, well, here's the thing. If I put your screen under our stress test, I guarantee you we'll break it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you.